In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many drivers face: why your car shuts off when the AC is turned on. Whether you're experiencing this problem for the first time or looking for more insight, we've got you covered. We'll cover the common reasons behind this issue and provide tips on how to diagnose and fix it. The air conditioning system in your car consists of several components, including the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and refrigerant. The AC system is essential for comfort, especially during hot weather, but it can also put a significant load on your engine. When you turn on the AC, the compressor kicks in, powered by the engine. This increases the engine load and can sometimes cause it to stall if there are underlying issues. Now, let's look at the common reasons why your car might shut off when the AC is turned on. 1. Idle control issues. If your car's idle control valve or idle air control motor is faulty, it might not adjust the engine idle speed properly when the AC is on. This can cause the engine to stall due to the added load from the AC compressor. 2. Weak battery or alternator. A weak battery or failing alternator can cause your car to shut off when the AC is turned on. The AC system requires additional electrical power, and if the battery or alternator isn't supplying enough, the engine might stall. 3. Faulty AC compressor. A failing AC compressor can put excessive strain on the engine. If the compressor is damaged or has seized, it can cause the engine to work harder than it should, leading to a stall. 4. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to run lean or rich. When the AC is turned on, the engine load increases, and if there's a vacuum leak, it might cause the engine to stall. 5. Dirty throttle body. A dirty throttle body can restrict airflow to the engine, affecting its performance. When the AC is turned on, the engine needs more air to compensate for the additional load, and a clogged throttle body can cause it to stall. 6. Engine overheating. An overheating engine can stall when the AC is turned on. The AC system generates additional heat, and if the engine is already running hot, it might shut down to prevent damage. Preventive measures and solutions. To prevent your car from shutting off when the AC is turned on, here are some preventive measures and solutions. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance on your vehicle, including checking and replacing the air filter, spark plugs, and other essential components. Keep the AC system in good condition. Regularly service your AC system to ensure it's functioning properly. This includes checking refrigerant levels and inspecting the compressor. Monitor battery and alternator health. Keep an eye on your battery and alternator health. Replace them as needed to ensure they can handle the additional load from the AC. Clean the throttle body. Regularly clean the throttle body to prevent buildup that can restrict airflow. Address vacuum leaks promptly. Fix any vacuum leaks as soon as they're identified to maintain the proper air-fuel mixture. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AutoFix for more car maintenance and troubleshooting tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Drive safe and see you in the next video.